Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Ilene. We have a small Walmart haul and a small project share. So let's just get started, and thanks for joining me today. So everybody remembers the Dollar Tree was everyone hauling the cotton stems. Well, my Dollar Tree never got it, so I went to Walmart yesterday and they had these these lovely bundles. And I said, you know what, my Dollar Tree might never bring it in, so I might as well grab a few while they have them at Walmart. And they were excuse me, $2.98 each. So I got 2 bundles of the cotton stems, and at first I thought they didn't have them, but you look closer in those little bins, they had all the fall home decor stuff. These were at the bottom, and you just had to look in and look underneath everything that was there. And so I was also wanting some little collections for some projects, and I found, whoops, sorry. I found these lovely buttons at Walmart. These are the Dress It Up in the sewing novelty aisle. I don't know if you can see, this pack comes with 2 little mermaids, a turtle, a dolphin, and a seahorse. And this pack comes with 3 mermaids, 2 dolphins, 2 starfish, and a seashell. They all have like different poses. Okay, and then I came upon this cute little collection. There's a teeny tiny unicorn and a little garden fairy and flowers, 2 flowers, little baby dragon, and a mushroom, and they all have cute faces. So I got that. And then the last one that I found are the unicorns, and they had 2 posing unicorns and a unicorn head, 1 unicorn head. And there's like little, I think there's like 4 tiny stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get 6 little tiny stars, embellishments in the back. And that was all in the button aisle. And then I had picked up this little gem. I was gonna do something, this is a button actually. My husband's in the military, and the units have specific pins. So I've seen some of the ladies, you take the pin and you cut the backing of it off the actual pin part, and they've put it on brooches. Am I saying that right? Brooches? And they put it on the brooch, and it makes the pin look even prettier, like girl it up a little bit, put some bling on it. So I'm gonna do something with this. And I needed a few supplies as I ran out, so I got the E6000. This one specifically for the jewelry because of the nozzles. It comes with 1, 2, 3, I think there's 4 nozzles and 1 cap. And it's mainly for jewelry and beading, so I got that. And I always use this permanent tape, and I got that in the craft aisle. It's a pack of 4. These are really good. I like using this, so easy to use. And the last thing I picked up were these 12 by 12 page refills, page protectors. Reason for it is my son just graduated last year from high school, and I made a banner of all his school portraits hanging in our home for the party. And so now I want to put them away and put them in some protected pages, and that way they don't get ruined. And he can have them when he wants them. Right now he's in college, so we just took him to University of North Texas last weekend. And yeah, first day of school is on Monday, so he has a whole week to get acclimatized and familiar with his schedules and stuff like that. So that was it for my haul. I went to Walmart and just picked up a few goodies. The other thing I wanted to do today was do this project share. I had done some pumpkins, fabric pumpkins, for one of these YouTube collabs with okay, my camera cut off because actually it's my phone and my husband called, so I had to answer it. So anyway, just to recap, I made some fabric pumpkins for the open collab with Auntie Cuckoo. Her Pumpkin Palooza will be this Saturday, and I'm gonna post my projects, but I wanted to do a little share with my pumpkins. So this is old denim, my old jeans, old pair of jeans, the pant leg. I just cut it off and sewed up one end. Oh, this side I covered up with a leaf from Dollar Tree and filled it up, stuffed it with some pillow filling and sewed up the top, and then I used yarn for the indents just to tighten up the pumpkin and make it look more like a pumpkin. So I also used a few Dollar Tree flowers. So this was off of a bush, one of those stems with the mini mums. So I have 2 flowers here, and I just used the greenery. And then these are also the fall leaves from Dollar Tree. I put 2 on there, covered up the stem actually because it was felt. My rolled felt stem. I just had a little piece and rolled it up, and I used that as my stem. So that'll give it a stem, but you can't even see it now. So that's one pumpkin. This is another pumpkin, actually. It's a sweatshirt sleeve, and I liked the texture of the inside of the sweatshirt, so the sleeve I mean. So I did the same as the denim, tied up one end, used some string. This top piece right here is a crochet piece that I crocheted myself, and it was an incomplete project. I just ran out of yarn, so I was practicing the corner to corner crochet method, and I ran out of yarn, so this made the perfect piece to cover my pumpkin and give it a different texture. So can you see that? See that? The crochet and the sweatshirt texture, and then I just used the string over it and cinched up the segments. And so here's the top part of the sleeve. I didn't tuck it in like this one. I left it sticking out because I figured it gives it, you know, something like a stem. And this is the top part, the top edging right here of my crochet piece. So I left that sticking out, and it just, you know, it just gives it a little bit more dimension and something else to look at. And then if you saw an earlier video, I posted some project fails earlier, and these are my crochet pieces. These are just the crochet leaves that I made, oh gosh, years back, and I never knew what to do with it. So now I just took those and tucked it in and glued it, actually, just some hot glue. I didn't glue it everywhere so that the leaf could have some kind of movement or body to it. And look at that, perfect use for these little leaves. And then I added 2 more mums and some of the little, I don't know what you call these, I can't think of it, curly cues or whatever. just to simulate the pumpkin vine also. Something else, just another piece of texture. So I have these up in my living room displayed already, and I just figured I'd pull it back down and share it with you because I forgot to record it. And so to finish off, these I made last year. These are a few pumpkins I made with my son's jeans that he outgrew, and I made these last year. I have a video on my channel. It shows how I made these, and same process. And there's that felt. It's actually the same sheet of felt that I used last year. And these are the leaves again from Dollar Tree, and I had these last year. And these are the acorns also from Dollar Tree. And you know, it's the hot glue got to that one and I messed that up, so cover it up with the leaf and turn it a certain way and you won't even see it. But this is a stack of pumpkins, so I just took 3 separate little pumpkins, 3 different sizes, and stacked them all together and stuck some of these leaves in there. And that's my little pumpkin topiary. This one I used the seam binding on the jean, on the legs of the jeans, and I used that as my vine last year. So I'm gonna have all of these displayed upstairs, and I'll probably insert a photo of where I'm putting them. But that's it, guys. That was my Walmart haul and my little project share, and I hope you all try it out. And they're really easy, and you can use whatever fabrics you want. So thanks for joining me, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, please. It'll help my little channel grow. And if you're new here, please think about subscribing and joining my little family, and share the video. I hope it could inspire one of you to get your own creative juices flowing. So, and if you do make them, feel free to tag me in it. I'd love to see your projects, and you can find me on Instagram, also Ilene.Payne. Yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next video, and thanks for joining me. Have a great day. Bye.